Hello everyone, welcome to this channel once again. In this episode, you are going to study on how to append data to an array or a list in Python. So let's create our list. Kill equals to square brackets and then our element. Okay, so that is it. Let's append to this, and in doing that, we just do kill dot append, then into brackets what you want to add up to, and then in this case, just argument is only one. You have to just give one argument. So that should work fine. Let's run and see. After running, if I just punch in kill, it would give me the list ending with 2 instead of 3. Alright, as you can see, it's ending with 2 instead of 3, which is the actual list that I gave. Alright, so let's go ahead and then do for the array. And before we do that, we need to import our numpy. Import numpy as np. Then we'll create our array afterwards. W equals to np dot array. Then into brackets array. So I'm going to create 3 by 3 array. So 1, 3. This should be my first row. Then my next will be like that. And my last will have that element. Okay. So I now have my 3 by 3 array. And before I do that, appending to arrays, you do that in rows and columns. So I will have appending to rows. Let's see, rows equals to np dot array. Okay, then into brackets, I have another set of array values. Okay, then I do np dot append into brackets to the array that I've created, my earlier one, the W, and then what I want to add to it, which is my rows, and then the index. So this should add the 1, 4, 5 row to the W array that I have. Okay. Before you run to see, let's just do for the column. So appending to column. We have column equals to np dot array. Into brackets, have your the values that you want to append with. So next, then my last element, because it's 3 by 3, you have to make it dimensionally correct. So that is it. And then before I do that, be np dot appending. Sorry, np dot append into brackets the array that I want to append to, then what I'm appending, and then the index. Okay. Dot. So let's run this and see what is happening. Okay, so now let's see our W. Alright, so let's just run this separately and then to see what's happening. You see it has added 1, 4, 5 to the number of rows that I have. So this is making it 3 by 4. And then if I run this too, it will just append to the W that I have already. So it will give me 4 columns rather. Alright. So that is it for today. Thank you for watching, and visit more for more videos. Continue learning more and more. And then don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.